Hello! In today's video, we're going to go in depth and actually put together a truck scale quote for weighing a tanker truck, so don't you go anywhere. Okay, so we recently received a request from a customer regarding a truck scale. The customer asked for a quote for an above-ground truck scale with at least 100,000 pounds capacity, 60 feet long and 11 feet wide, which they say is just long enough for one tanker truck. Okay then, let's get that priced out for you. Now, as we always try to mention with these pricing videos, please be aware that these are just estimates and they are not exact figures, and pricing is subject to change. We're simply giving you an idea of what kind of pricing to expect based on current year numbers. Okay, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's take a look at the costs. You'll need to get your concrete foundation poured. The most cost-effective way to do that is probably to have your own contractor pour the concrete. Costs for foundations can vary, but it might be somewhere between $18,000 to $28,000. Freight to ship your scale from the manufacturer to you is likely somewhere around $3,000. Keep in mind, freight will vary depending on where the scale ships from and where it's shipping to. Also, you will need to have a crane to offload the scale. You can supply that crane to cut costs if needed. Your actual 60 by 11 steel deck truck scale should likely cost somewhere around $65,000 at the time of this video. One thing I have to mention is the size of the platform. Most customers choose a 70 by 11, and you might want to consider this just in case. The cost difference isn't all that much. I know you mentioned that you're weighing a tanker truck, but you never know when you might have to weigh longer trucks one day. Okay, I just had to mention that. Continuing on with your 60 by 11 truck scale, the accessories that you'll need include the following things. Your side rails for the 60 by 11 are approximately $5,000 or so. The digital weight indicator along with a remote display and ticket printer is probably around $4,000. And finally, the professional installation and calibration charge is probably somewhere around $4,000. When you add it all up, the costs are somewhere around $110,000 or so for a 60 by 11 above ground steel deck truck scale for weighing tanker trucks. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was informative. Please do me a favor and press that like button below. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And finally, if you're located in Central North Carolina and you're looking for a truck scale, be sure to check out our website, centralcarolinascale.com.